Welcome everybody. I'm Pratik representing Vedabi Global Services, a specialist in providing support and services in BI and APM space. We provide pre-sale support, health checkup and optimization, installation and configuration, upgrade and migration, support and maintenance, end-to-end implementation. Here is the agenda for the webinar today. I will be explaining you these topics for the business intelligence purpose. So first, what is business intelligence? The overview of business intelligence. I'll be explaining the modules of the BI modules, which BI modules are there for the business intelligence, on which it is dependent. I'll be explaining you the class diagrams of business intelligence to have the technical aspects of BI so that you can have a good exposure of what is BI. So I'll be explaining you the interesting topic called BI today versus tomorrow, in which you can have the good understanding about what the BI today is and what the BI is going to have in our future. So first of all, what is business intelligence? This is the good topic we have in the IT market. So what is business intelligence? So it is the process, technology and tool that help us change data into information, information into the knowledge, and the knowledge into plan the organization data. It supports the business decision making process. It is nothing but a business decision making processes in which you have planning, financial productivity, service quality, market, profitability, etc. BI enables the business to make intelligent fact-based decisions. Fact-based decisions means you have the schemas which are present in the business intelligence on which you can have your or you can retrieve your data in the fact-based columns, so that it should be or you can have the aggregate data in your user side. So I have shown here you the basic diagram of BI, how the data flows from BI. So we will have aggregate data, and so this data can be in the database, it can be a data mart, it can be a data warehouse, or the extract, transform, load tools or integration tools. You can have any type of data in here which is passed to present, or you can have to create the analysis. The analysis is created or the reports are created using the reporting tools. So in present data, you will have to present the data which is coming from the aggregate data. So you will pass that data to enrich data. Enrich data is to have the information, the context to create the information. So here you can have a good information, descriptive statistics, benchmarks, variance to plan. So all this you can have in the enriched data. This is the process of to have a BI in a good format. So after enriching the data, inform a decision, so you can have a good decision on a good report, so that the report should be good, because the developers which are present for to create the reports, they need the good data. So you will have this data with the aggregate data in the databases. So this is the process where you can have business intelligence. So I have a common architecture also, in which you can have a good look, that the down level, that is transaction, ERP and general ledger systems, planning, budgeting, forecasting. These are all the data sources which provides the data to the business intelligence tools. So what this business intelligence tool will do, we have data mining, this will have querying, analysis and reporting will be here, extraction, transform and load tools will be here, so that you can have the gathering of the data. After that, after creating the reports and the analysis or dashboards, it should be shown to the higher level people like finance managers, senior managers, department managers, executive board, CIO, CEO. So all these are the people who can have this data, the reports. So with the help of the web enabled information delivery, it broadcasts this analysis, dashboards and reports to these users so that they can have a good decision making system. So BI is nothing but a good decision making system through which you can have good fetch the data, on which you can have the guessing of the future, or you can decide what the problem or what the profit and loss will be have in your future. So that pre-planned data is here, on that you can have generation of reports and analysis and dashboards. Originally a term coined by the Gartner Group in 1993, BI is a broad range of software and solutions aimed at collection, consolidation, analysis and providing access to information that allows users across the business to make better decisions. It is a technology which includes software database query and analysis, multidimensional databases or online analytical processing tools, data warehousing and data mining. These are all we have in this technology, and we can apply across disciplines, but especially in customer relationship manager and supply chain management, enterprise resource planning, we provide better, faster and more accessible reports. So BI provides better, faster and more accessible reports. So we will go through with the overview of BI. So when was BI popularized? So it was popularized in 1988. Howard Parsner, a research fellow at Gardner Group, popularized BI as an umbrella term to describe a set of concepts and methods to improve business decision making by using of a fact-based support systems. So we have some key sources of BI, or you can term it as stages in BI. We'll have stage 1 as data sourcing. Data sourcing is extracting electronic information from text documents, databases, images, or you can have media files and web pages. What is data analysis? Data analysis, in this stage we synthesize the useful knowledge from the collected data using data mining. Text understanding and image analysis techniques we will have in this. Third stage, situation awareness, we will have linking the useful facts and inferences and filtering out irrelevant information in this. The last stage, decision risk analysis, we have risk analysis in which we identify the reasonable decisions or the action based on the acceptation of risk and renewed. Last we have decision support. In decision support we have employing semi-interactive software to identify good decisions and strategies. So this is the stages of the BI in which you have to go from this first to the last. BI application and technologies can help companies analyze data like changing trends in the market share, changes in customer behavior and spending partners, customers preferences. Also you can have company capabilities. On the capabilities of the companies, you can help companies to analyze what data you are having. There are marketing conditions on which you can have your good presentation with the help of the BI. So there are some characteristics of BI intelligence solutions also. So first characteristics is single point of access to the information, timely answers to the BI questions or business questions. You can have a timely report as you need in the business. So what the question asked by the CEO or CIO. Using BI in all departments of an organization, you can have a good report generation, or you can decide what the profit and loss is going to have in your future. So I've shown you here the one diagram. Why BI solutions? Why to use BI? So here in the first diagram you can have without using business intelligence they have processed XYZ organization has processed, like they have data, they've given data to the analysis, they have created analysis, they have reviewed the data. Today, too little time before analyze and review cause disconnected action. So without having time, they have and on using disconnected action, they have performed these stages. So suppose you have decision making process so that you can have a good results, like here the data is passed to the analysis is passed to the review sections, and after review of the section the action is taken. In this you have the sufficient time before analysis and review. It allows you connected actions also, so that so have this decision making process good in your organization. What happened using BI? What is happening using BI? Why did it happen? Why will happen? What will happen? So past, present, future you can predict with the help of decision making systems like business intelligence servers, using business intelligence servers. Overview of BI, in which we have also more data and data sources, like suppose I have an organization and in that I have sales order entry, human resource department, CRM, customer relationship management department, supply chain management department, web statistics. So these, the more the data, the more the reports you can have, and you can analysis that report and you can generate your predictions. Significance of BI to know the customers. We have some significances that on these cases we have some knowledge that having access to timely and accurate information is an important resource for a company. Decision making and improve customers in experience we can have. So know the customer, what your customer needs. So know the needs in the BI. So to know about the competitors or to know the market, you can have the business intelligence, like in the BI applications can also help manager to be better informed about actions that a company's competitor are taking. BI system can also be designed to provide managers with information on the state of economic trends or marketplace factors, or to provide managers with in-depth knowledge about the internal operations of the business. So we have significance for avoiding guessworks. So avoiding guessworks, we generally guess what will be happen, what will be have in next 10 minutes. So guessing is avoided. Like BI can be used to help analysis and manager determine which adjustment are most likely to respond to changing trends. BI system can help companies develop a more consistent database decision making process or business decisions, which can produce better results than making business decisions by guessing of work. We have significance for sharing of information. BI can help companies share selected strategic information with business partners. Some businesses use BI systems to share information with their suppliers, like inventory levels, performance metrics, other supply chain data. We have significance for improving performance also. BI applications have enhancement communication among departments, coordinate activities, and enable company to respond more quickly to changes. When a BI system is well designed and properly integrated into a company's process, a decision making process, it may be able to improve a company's performance. So next I told you I will explain you the BI modules. What will be the BI modules? We have dashboards, key performance indicators, graphical or online analytical processing, forecasting, graphical reporting. So we'll go one by one as a high level data. What Dashboard. What is dashboard? So BI dashboards can provide customized snapshot of daily operations, and it can assist the user in identifying problems, the source of those problems, as well as providing valuable up-to-date information about financial results, sales, other critical information. All it will have in a one place called dashboards. Key performance indicators. What these key performance indicators indicates? So BI provides simplified KPI management and tracking with powerful features, expressions, and flexible frequencies. This module enables clear definition and tracking performance indicator for a period and measures performance as compared to a previous period. So if suppose I have institute color highlight, ensure that user can see these indicators in a clear manner and accurate present information to management and team members. Users can further analyze performance with easy to use features like drill down, drill through slice and dice, and graphical data mining. So with the help of this we can have key performance indicators. So what does graphical OLAP is? Graphical BI OLAP technology makes it easy for you users to find, filter and analysis data, going beyond numbers and allowing users to visualize the information with eye-catching, stunning displays, valuable indicators and gauges, charts, variety at graph types for which to choose. So we have varieties which graphs to use, or the graphical representation will be having in graphical OLAP. So what the forecast model will have? This is the forecasting and predictive analysis module, in which we have our predictive analysis uses historical product sales, pricing, financial, budget and other data, and forecast the measures with numerous time series options. Example, like we have year, quarter, month, week, day, hour, or even second to improve your planning process. So last model we have graphical reporting, in which we create the reports like BI reports delivers web-based BI reports to anyone in the organization within the minutes or within the fraction of seconds. The BI suite is simple to use, practical to implement, affordable for every organization. With our BI reporting and performance reporting model, you just point and click, drag and drop. You can instantly create a report to summarize your performance metrics or operational data. So these are the BI models which are present in the business intelligence. So the BI class diagram. So I will be explaining you the three class diagrams. So on which we have first the data flow diagram, in which you can see here we gather the information from corresponding departments with the help of the database. So this is the external entity which fires the query to the business intelligence, and business intelligence shows the query to the, or these all process will have in the BI that gathering information from corresponding departments from the databases. It will pass the data to the future recognition, in which we will recognize the future, what the predictions will be with the help of this information. So it will pass the data to the analysis to determine what the data is, what the recognition of future is. The creation of analysis, creation of reports will be done in this analysis and determine section, and after that the suggestions will be given to the user that this is the data from which we have the recognition of future, and this is the report on which you can have the prediction or the guessing of your future. So likewise the data flow diagram will flow. So we have next diagram is use case diagram, in which I have a business intelligence user, a end user and departments. So from end user the query will or the user request will go to the departments. So from that departments, or from you can have the here you can say as database as the department, so that the from database the data is fetched and report is generated. The report generation is done in the business intelligence server. So after business intelligence servers it will publish the reports and dashboards using analysis, and it will make suggestions to you. so that the user can have the reports, dashboards and analysis, and he can predict the organization's future, and he can implement those rules or whatever they have in their BI data. So this is the use case diagram. Last we have sequence diagrams, in which a user is request for the suggestions to the business intelligence server. The business intelligence server will send the query to the database to gather the data, to retrieve the data. So it retrieves the data in the BI server. Again, BI server will send data for analyzing to the analysis stage. In this analysis stage, we can create the dashboards and reports or key performance indicators or with the help of agents. So it will retrieve the solutions to the business intelligence server. This BI server will suggest the answers to the user with the request of suggestions. So this is the sequence diagram. I told you I will be explaining the good interesting topic that what BI today is and what the BI tomorrow will be. So BI today is like reading the newspaper. So Delhi newspaper, we have the report that what is going on in the world. So like that you can have what is the what like that you can have the example of your organization, that what daily gaining of profit or loss I have. So we have the reporting tool on top of data warehouse that loads nightly and produces historical reporting. So for reporting we use historical data, that is OLAP data, because so we use OLAP data, that's why you guess what your or that's why you predict what you're going to have in your organization, because in the with the help of past data you can have the future data. BI tomorrow will focus more on real-time events and predicting tomorrow's headlines. So this is the interesting topic. You can have more on this in the next upcoming webinars. So for the sake of understanding, I've shown you the examples, like this is the report example in which I have traditional two-dimensional report. This is the two-dimensional report. You can see here I have two reports in front of the screens. I can specify the top values. All this will be have the creating of reports in the BI. So I have a three-dimensional report also. So you can show your report in three-dimensional to the CIO or CEO. You can have answers in 3D dimensional reports also. Thanks. Thanks for participating in the webinar. We will look forward to see you again in the upcoming webinars for Vedabi Global Services. Please contact us for any query related to BI EPM space. To email and mobile numbers are available on the contact us slide. Have a great time.